In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, select that contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of them, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and hit Remove. To change placement of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold 1, pick a placement for it by dragging it, and save your changes by hitting Save at the top right corner as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!